Welcome to KK Computer Hub, your trusted destination for computer sales, service, upgrades, and technical solutions. Learn technology in the simplest way. Let's upgrade your skills together. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to change or upgrade RAM in a desktop computer. Whether you're looking for more speed or replacing a faulty stick, we've got you covered. If your computer is slow or hanging, upgrading RAM can instantly improve performance and multitasking speed. It's one of the most cost-effective ways to breathe new life into your PC. Before starting, make sure you have the correct compatible RAM for your motherboard. A screwdriver and a clean, well-lit workspace are also essential. Safety first. Always turn off your computer and unplug the power cable before opening the case. Press the power button once after unplugging to discharge any remaining electricity in the components. Remove the side panel screws carefully using your screwdriver. Gently slide the cabinet panel off to reveal the interior of your PC. Locate the RAM slots, which are usually long, thin slots right next to the CPU. Press down the clips on both sides of the RAM slot simultaneously. You'll feel the RAM stick pop up. It's now disconnected from the pins. Hold the module by its edges and lift it straight out. Avoid touching the gold contacts. Align the notch on your new RAM stick with the ridge in the slot. It only fits one way. Insert the RAM vertically into the slot, making sure it's seated evenly across the base. Press down firmly until both side clips lock into place. You should hear a distinct click sound. Slide the side panel back on, secure the screws, and reconnect your power cable. Power on your system and log into Windows to verify the installation. Right-click this PC and select Properties to confirm your new RAM capacity is detected. For professional computer upgrades and service, trust the experts at KK Computer Hub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.